Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to see how we can play Roblox on our school Chromebook in 2024. It is a very easy process, so just follow me. At first, you need to go on your search bar and type education bluesky.com and press enter. You can see that a Roblox login page will show after some time. The page is loading, and after some time you will see a page like this where it will show you to log in into your Roblox account. And here we go. Now then simply click on login, enter your ID and password, whatever it is, and press on login. And then you can simply play Roblox on your Chromebook. So I hope this was helpful for you. Now you can play Roblox on your school Chromebook. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and share.